there it's gonna be so yummy mangoes. Not those mangoes where it's not even ripe and then they just keep cream on it to make it ripe. Fresh, pure mangoes. I tasted it at my friend's house and then me and my friend are going. And also it's not a crowded place, but still I'm going to have some safety measurements. So I'm going to wear a mask and sanitize my hands sometime. Let's go. Now we started. I'm so excited. And plus, I got me and my friend might play it if we have time. But if we don't have time, then we can't play. But I'm really excited. It's gonna be so fun. Plucking mangoes, running around in the farm. Awesome. I hope at least. I'm excited because I'll play my brother and with my brother's friend. This is so greenery. It looks so good. Plus, the roads are so smooth, guys. Oh, it looks so good.
And we reached, looks like. This is the farmhouse.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it says RK Farm Fresh Mangoes. Rasalu Kesar. Oh, yeah, let's enter.
We came now. It's kind of like a forest, and now I need to be careful because snakes might be here, and plus we need to find mangoes. Oh, what? You will be thinking, why am I not taking this one? I'm not taking this one because it's not yellow here. It should be a little yellow at the bottom. That's how we know it's ripe. It has to be big. Okay? Rock on my leg. I stepped on one and it backfired and hit me. This is not right. Why are you doing it?
आप खुद कर सकते हो
सही है
हाँ बस वो गिरेगा नहीं के अंदर आ
I saw one.
Did you see any?
Yeah, it was so
आप खुद कर
good.
सकते हो
If you see a ripe mango, please tell me because I can't see any and I really want to see some ripe mangoes. Okay?
टच करो चलो रख ओके ये वाला करो
This is the bug trap. See? The bug will go in and then electricity will shock it and it'll die. See, so many bugs are dead here. See? All dead bugs.
2 3
pluck 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 yes
It's easy yeah
टच
Yeah.
करके आ गया
चलो
This is my friend Abby. Me and him are plucking mangoes, and right now it's really wobbly. The tree. I know how. Yeah. I almost fell. I'm not. Hi. I'm going to get down. Finally, my mangoes came. Wow. Oh, and guys, do you know my sister and me and my friend played so much she got tired and then now she's sleeping? I want to hug these. They're so good. Oh. smells so good. I'm not even lying. Even you take one smell. They're so good. If you get a chance to visit Hyderabad, then please come to the farm. Oh, you'll be thinking, how can we come to the farm? We don't even know where it is. I will send the link down below in the comment section. Bye. Oh, no. Wait. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Bye.